Everyone. Uh, I would like to present our working with the student, where this is as a requirement for student to finish their bachelor degree. The title for the project is about mobile apps for musician community in Indonesia. So the purpose of this application, this is some challenge for the student how they can give some opportunity or help to the musician community in Indonesia. The students are Amedius Darren Linder, Kekonia Johannes Jayani. They are from Computer Science Department, School of Computer Science, Medan Nusantara University. And me, myself, are College Hendrik Speed Warners from Computer Science Department, graduate program, Doctor of Computer Science. Uh, when we talk about the art and music, this is something that human need in terms of socializing with each other. And every human civilization is always equipped with music. In Indonesia, every community activity, whether related to family, religious, or culture event, is inseparable from the presence of music as a complement and means of socializing society. People interested in music are not well informed about the choice of offer about the variety of music that can be held, while music organizer and player have difficulty marketing their musical expertise. Seeing this exciting problem, building an online platform where session musicians can interact and share is necessary to build a strong relationship between them was proposed. This paper outlines the design of mobile app that provide an online forum for discussion of all things session musician and help find musical activity opportunity. The design was developed using Unified Modeling Language (UML) diagram, mainly using use case diagram, class diagram, and an activity diagram, including user interface display as a communication display between user and the application they use. The application was built using Arduino Studio and MySQL to save the database. In the past decade, the change in social and cultural practice in Indonesia have successfully popularized the emergence of different music genres, notably pop, rock, hip hop, orchestra, and many more. Moreover, well-established businesses are attempting to incorporate musicians in their work for purposes such as promotion or marketing. Many of these large businesses use the service of a particular type of musician to aid in the development of musical pieces and recording called session musician. Session musician is also called studio musician or backing musician, play a essential role in the music industry. They are considered by many people as the best kept secret in that particular industry. By definition, session musicians are contracted to aid in live performance or recording session. They primarily play standard instruments such as guitar, keyboard, drum, and bass. But few outliers can specialize in string, brass, and woodwind. Usually, session musicians are not permanently affiliated to specific solo artist, band, or ensemble, but instead are only temporarily hired as required. Great session musicians are remarkable, creative, excellent sight reader, and highly skilled in their respective instrument. Despite everything mentioned above, the term session musician is still very foreign to the public ears. This is because session musicians are not always visible and more often than not do not receive the proper spotlight they deserve. Most of the popular music associated with the celebrity and recognizable character can be traced back to higher collaborators who work in the background at recording studio away from the public eye. A famous example of unnoticed work of session musician is Motown Record, a renowned American record label composed of professional session musicians who could improvise complex arrangements easily. They released multiple hit singles, yet none of the musicians who worked on the masterpieces, particularly in the 19th, were individually credited and remain a mystery. There is a dilemma in the method of information transport between session musicians. There is a difficulty in ensuring that everyone gets a reasonable opportunity to propel or even kickstart their career as a session musician. Moreover, current and prospective session musicians do not have a robust platform where they can actively share information and experience amongst each other. Therefore, session musicians cannot establish broader connection and relationship. Aside from the small group they frequently work with, this negatively affects several aspects, one of them being a job sharing. Without generalized communication, sharing information regarding job will not be equally spread out. This paper discusses a proposed solution to this problem. It outlines methods to implement a mobile-based forum application that enables session musicians to connect. With this app, session musicians will be able to share their knowledge and experience and promote open job among each other through posts on a forum thread. It is a new effort to unite session musicians of all demographics. The following section will describe similar past research methodology used to accept the objective and present the conclusion. This is the use case diagram of our proposed idea, where there are 7 main use case and one sub use case activity such as read and comment event. The use case diagram total there's 8 use case here. There are such register, login, create performance event, manage performance event, register event, forum, information, read and comment event. And the next UI or present implementation will show that part of the implementation of the use case diagram. The forum it will be used to how to connect all the musicians where they can share or they can ask or anything that they can relate become something that connection among the musicians. This is the class diagram. If you look at this class diagram, there are 8 classes here, where each class represents as a table in database here. We have a musician. This will save all the data regarding with the musician. And then this is common and forum thread. Will be used for the forums. Where the musician will be, when they start the equation or give the opinion, they can start with the forum. And the common, this is become something that answering for the forum, each of the representation from the forum. Yeah. And of course, we have an event. Yeah. So the musician, they can register event. Yeah. They can create the event and they can give a writing comment regarding with the event. And of course, they have event organizer or even something like that. Yeah. So this is the user interface and the implementation. Uh, if we look at the implementation, we look at the representation of initial landing page of the proposed mobile application. There's a logo, app name, jam session, lights on the center of the screen, where this page contains 2 buttons, login and register. So regarding with the login for the register, they should do the login. They should enter their username and password, and the system will check to the saving database. If they match with the saving database, then they can enter the session. Otherwise, there will be show message that they do not have authority to enter to the system. And this is the main menu. Yeah, this is the main menu for musician, and this is the main menu for the main menu for event organizer. So this is what we call the collaboration between the musician and organizer. And this is the registration for musician and event organization. So when the user to enter the system, they will have 2 options, and they will register as a musician or event organizer. And then the next page, this is the page especially for create event for the managed event such as event organizer. They can create the event where they can enter the event name, number of performance fee, detail. Yeah. So this will be saved in the database in class diagram as a record there. And then of course they can manage event as well, which one the confirmation as event A, B, and etc. And this is the list for the event. So the user, every the member musician, they can see what kinds of the event that will be held. Yeah. And then the registration fee. And this is for the forum thread where the user can enter the system. They can give some thread or the question or any information that they want to share with other member or among member. And then this is the regarding with the information for the forum thread. And also this is for the information. Yeah. So in this application there will be some information regarding or related with the application. Yeah. Every information regarding with the musician or any. And then user as well, they can give rate and comment for any activity after they register for the event. Yeah. Okay, as a conclusion, we already know that we implemented this application for the musician. So we hope that application will be used by the musician community, connect session musician and event organizer. Session musician can browse available event to look for job opportunity, while event organizer can create event in the app and get session musician to perform for the event. And exploratory was provide yet straightforward user interface that will track session musician. Several additional features can add session musician in the field other than job searching, such as forum thread where they can discuss and share the idea, and an information sector where there will be much valuable information such as tip, trick, article, and many more. More features will be added to enhance the app to be more supportive toward session musician for the plan. This feature include chat or direct message between session musician, a social network where they can connect and showcase their music and skill, in-app payment method for event performance, and many more. In conclusion, hopefully this app can answer session musician needs and help them provide for their family. Okay, this is our presentation. Thank you for listening our presentation. See you in another time. Thank you. Bye.